Hello guys, what's up? It's your Node Node Diaries here and welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so for today's video, let's gonna go ahead and travel again. Happy Easter everyone! And thank you Lord Jesus for all the blessings. And today, samahan niyo ako and we're gonna go to Venice, Italy. Bye! Say hi! Finally! I'm back in Venice. CJ, say hi! Say hi to the vlog of Ninong! You're gonna be watching this soon. Hey guys, it's day 2 here in Italy. CJ, say hi.
Hi.
And friend, say hi. Where are we going?
In a coffee shop.
Yeah, we're gonna do some coffee shop hunting. Coffee shop hunting! Magbe-breakfast lang talaga kami. So, and then we're gonna go to the lake later on. And, ayun lang, yesterday I was so tired, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Pero we went to the town and checked some stuff. And then yun, maganda pala talaga dito.
Very
So,
old
ayun.
school.
Very old school, very old like you. Charot!
Old. Super old.
Super old, like mas matatanda pa sa atin dito yung mga building dito. So, ayun. So, yan, mag-breakfast lang kami and we'll see you later. Bye! So, ayan.
Walang clip.
Walang clip. Ganito po yung buhay namin dito sa Italia. Kanya-kanyang gas.
Sikap.
Oo. Yeah, it's nice there.
Caleb.
Ang cute! How much? Si Bart Simpson.
Hi.
He's so hungry.
You want carbonara enough?
Are you starving?
Do you want carbonara? Yeah. Una Coca Zero.
Yung parang marinara lang pala. Guys, nandito kami sa public beach. And ang init, grabe. As in, literal na mainit. Look. How was it? Super ganda dito, as in. So, pag pupunta kayo dito sa Italy, make sure to drop by
La Dolce Vita.
La Dolce Vita, Sermione, Italy. And it's so beautiful, sobra. So, you guys should visit it. And ang daming restaurants. Gelatos are really good. And, ayan, we're about to go home. And tomorrow's gonna be another day. So, bye for now. Buongiorno, Italia. It's our 3rd day today. Ang bilis ng araw, grabe. So, ayun guys, we're going to go to Venice today. And we're just gonna bring or drop off CJ first in his school, and me and Claire will go to Venice. So, see you later. Bye. Buongiorno Italia. It's our third day. Third day na ba? Third day na, no? Third day. It's my third day here in Italy, and today we are actually going to Venice. Ayan, pupunta kami ng Venezia. Mag-ride kami doon ng gondola. Charot! Wala kami mga pera. Ganon. Hoy guys, akala nyo naman ha, marami kami pera. Hoy, broke pa rin kami until Europe. Ganon dapat. Pero mamamasyal kami doon. Let's see kung anong mga activities ang meron doon. Pero for sure, kakain kami. Maraming mga coffee shops doon, restaurants and all. And kami dalawa lang ni Claire kasi si CJ nasa school na. Ayun, hindi na siya pwedeng umabsent. Kasi kahapon absent na siya. Absent na siya kahapon eh. So bawal siyang umabsent ngayon. Ganon. So malapit na kami sa Venice guys. And we'll see you there. Ciao for now. Bye. Hi guys, we are already in Venice and makikita nyo, puro dagat na, look. Nasa coastal road na kami ng Cavite.
Oo nga, no?
Ito na talaga, ito yung coastal dun sa amin.
Tatalaba.
Tatalaba. Marami nga lang squammy doon. Dito walang squammy eh. Oh, ang ganda pa rin.
One whole day is 45. Ang mahal pag ano.
Outfit check! Hi guys, we are already in Venice and ito na yung start ng kanal. Tingnan nyo! Wait. Ayan na siya! Oh my gosh, finally I'm back in Venezia. The last time, hindi ako nakapagpa-picture masyado dito sa mga kanal dito ha. Kaya ngayon dapat marami akong picture sa kanal. Oh, bakasyonista, di ba? Iba talaga pag nakakaluwag-luwag na sa Europe. Iba talaga pag nakakaluwag-luwag na sa Europa, dito na kami namamasyal. Ang ganda dito guys. So you should visit Venice too. And then tomorrow I'll be in Milano for Jollibee delivery. But today we are just gonna go have some coffee. Kamusta naman ang buhay mo sa vegan dito, friend? Ala, ang ganda. Iba talaga. Iba talaga si Madam, oh. Well, coffee daw muna kami. Another day, another gastos. Ah, yeah. The brioche with strawberry. Or this one with the pistache.
Try mo, pistache.
Okay. Pag marunong mag-Italian, umpo ko loko. So for today's menu guys, we ordered brioche,
It's like almond croissant.
almond croissant, and then brioche with pistachio. Bawal na kasi yung pistachio dito. It's pistachio. Ganun dapat guys. So pumunta kayo ng Italy, or latte macchiato, decaf cappuccino. So ayan. May papakita namin sa inyo yung food namin. So tas mamaya sa lunch, we're gonna look for some restaurants din naman. Arte, akala mo naman talaga may pera pambili ng lunch. Pero ayun, magmumuni-muni kami dito sa Venice, okay? Tas si CJ mamaya, susunduin din. Asya, bye! Guys, ito na yung mga gondola. Ayan, di ba? Ang ganda. Hindi na sa BGC yan, guys.
Kasi muna rin sa
Gusto ko yan. Guys, nakakatakot sa mga sulok-sulok kasi baka may atensyon. May atensyon eh.
Mamaya mapasa amin yung atensyon.
Tingnan mo, ikot. Wow. Ikot. Oh, di ba? Ganda. Na yung, guys, dito na yung gondola ride. So, ayan. Pero ang mahal ng gondola, it's gonna cost you 80 euros for the whole gondola. So, that means you have to be with your friends and hati-hati kayo. Kasi pag ikaw lang mag-isa, you're gonna be paying for the whole 80 euros for the gondola na ikaw lang mag-isa magra-ride. Look! Oh, this is Venice. This is life. Yeah. So guys, ito kami ngayon sa may San Marco na. Malapit na. And ito na yung mga gondola rides. And we have this thing called lifestyle kasi eh.
Dolce per niente.
Dolce per niente, la dolce vita. Charot! Ganun dapat. Hello. Ito na yung Rialto Bridge. Look. Doon pa pala. Very wrong. Ang ganda, no? Ciao. Next time na kaya pag may credit card na ulit kami. Mga vloggers na kami sa Europa.
Kaya na may Rialto Bridge.
Ito na ba yun? Ito na ba yung ride sa Enchanted Kingdom? Rialto. Wait lang guys, sa akit kami ng bundok. Bye!